everyone, welcome back to my channel Lady Like May. This is Sherry. For today's video, I am reviewing the Gershion POLYGEL Nail Enhancement Kit. This is available on Amazon. I will link it below if you are interested. So I'll go ahead and start. Let's see what do we have inside. Here we have the Gershion dual-headed tool, nail brush, and spatula. The two-sided nail file. Of course, we have the manual. 60 pieces of dual forms, of course, in different sizes. The top and base coat. And finally, we have here the 6 polygels. Each tube has 30 ml of polygel. They are generous with their product, you guys. It's the best bang for your buck. I am planning on trying each colors in the following weeks, so stay tuned for that if you want to see what the color looks like on my nails. For this video, I decided to use the natural pink and the white. I sort of have already prepped my nails for this, and now what I'm doing is choosing the dual forms. Honestly, since these dual forms are not segregated by the size, it took me a little while to pick the right size for me. On the other hand, what I like about the dual forms that I have now is that they are thinner, it's movable, it's not super stiff, and the most important thing is they have the size for the kind of nail I have. Not only do I have a petite nails, I am also a nail biter, so finding the right size is a must for me so that my polygel nails can last long. Now it's time to apply a very thin layer of the base gel. When applying this, be very cautious in not touching your cuticles. In their manual, it says in there to pick up some gel right away and then shape it with the dual form. However, I think it is best to cure the base first, and then I can go ahead on that step. Now that I have cured the base coat, I can now pick the dual form, get my gel. This is the natural pink, by the way, and then I can form it by the help of the dual form. I use the spatula to transfer the gel to the dual form, and I will use the brush later to really shape my nails. This is not included in the instruction, but you will need alcohol for the shaping process, at least 70%. In shaping, make sure that you dip your brush first in your alcohol, get the excess, and then you can begin shaping your nails. I'll try my very best to make this as flawless as I can. I am not a nail professional, so please take it easy on me. I just want to show you that you can do this on your own. You just have to practice. Take your time. Don't be scared if you want to try polygel. If I can do it, so can you. One thing that I really love about this kit is the formula of their gel. It is super easy to use, so if you want to try it out, go grab the Gershion kit. You'll have a wonderful experience. After the shaping process, I can now carefully but firmly apply it on my nails. As you can see here, as I'm firmly adhering it on my nails, you can see excess of product. What I'll do is I'll grab my brush and clean it to make sure that I'm happy with the way it looks. I will check and still shape it from top to bottom. I still have the control of everything at this part. And once I'm happy with everything, I will go ahead and cure this. After curing, grab a clean cloth, put a little bit of alcohol to remove the sticky layer, and then you can file it and then shape this nail the way you want to. For the next nail, my poor naive heart decided to use the clear gel. Personally, I think the clear gel is so beautiful. In my head, I was about to do a really dope glass-like nails, but then reality slapped me in the face. Right after doing it for the very first time, I realized that this color will show every flaws 10 times. All of my mistakes are all out there as a newbie. For now, I'll stay away from this color, and maybe someday, when I'm good at this, who knows, I'll try it out again. To distract myself from this mistake, of course, I'll resort to bling.
Ryan Little.
So this is the finished look. Let me know down below what you think about it. I will link the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button beside it to be notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone. I will see you next time.